Hey guys, what's up? Today's another video of Alesha and the Bullet, and today we're at World Tour Mini Golf in Zante.
Hole number 1.
There's a reason I don't play Augusta, and the FedEx Cup passes me by. I hit thin, I hit
one.
fat, and I got a high handicap. Yeah,
2.
I know some
Ooh.
but there's always
3. Well done.
the one that
Hole number
fills
2.
you with
Stonehenge, England.
straight down the middle. Yeah, I've solved the riddle, and I think I'm McElroy, but I don't have time.
Watch out for the Druids.
Can't hit a full-out shot like
Oh, it's a good shot. She's done it in 3. Hole number 3. The Statue of Liberty. There she is.
if I only had more time to practice. If I just had those clubs
Oh.
on TV.
Oh.
Fills me with hope behind these big
No.
ropes, thinking someday
It's 4. Hole number 4.
then life gets in
That's
the
1.
way. It's hard to find time to
Oh,
play.
that's 2.
And when Sunday unfolds, I got
Oh dear. 4. Hole number 5. Queenswell in Scotland. Oh dear. She's gone all the way back to the start. Good shot. Hole number 6. Oh. That's 2. 3. Lovely little waterfall for hole number 7. Hole number 7, the waterfall. Oh, oh, she's gone round. Yeah. Oh dear. Yes. Hole number 8, the Vikings boat. Watch out for Vikings. Two shots, well done. Hole number 9. It has a tricky bit in the middle. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, it's a good shot. Oh dear. Oh dear. 3. Hole number 10. The Eiffel Tower. Be careful not to fall over on this one. That's why they call it the Eiffel Tower. Oh dear. It's for an unorthodox shot. That's 2. Oh, look at this! Oh, so close. And that's 3 for Alesha, well done. Oh, number 11. Oh, that's a good shot. It's a good one. Oh, no. Oh, number 11. The Pyramids of Egypt. Do you get the point?
Oh, that's not funny!
Oh dear. Now that you're in Egypt, do you think you can do better than your mummy? What's that, 2? 3. Oh, I nearly went in. 4 shots, well done. Hole number 13, unlucky for some, but not for Taylor Swift. Well done. Mini golf. Like golf. Only a bit smaller. Hole number 4, Moreland Keep, Wales. Are you going through the middle?
Yep.
Ooh! Oh, it was a brave effort, that one. Oh no! Well done. Hole number 15, the Parthenon, Greece. And who's this chap in here? Is that Tiger Woods?
Oh my god.
Oh, it's a good shot. Oh, she's wellied it. Well done. Oh, number 16. Oh dear. Good shot. Oh, number 17. Blarney Castle. That's one. That's two. Good shot. Hole number 18. The final hole on the red course.
Yeah.
That's good. Good shot. That's a good shot. There's the world look. Oh, two.
So unfair.
Three. Well done, look.
Where are we, Dad?
It's the Pacific Ocean.
That's Pacific. No, Pacific.
Winner, winner! Chicken dinner! Marks out of 10.
Ooh, I really like this course because like there's all different things, like the Paris one, the globe, that was really cool. So I think I'll give this one a 9 out of 10. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and share this with your friends. Bye!